In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily fix internet connection problems here on your Philips TV. Okay, for the first step, what I recommend is that you unplug the TV, wait like 2 minutes and then plug it in again. This is only to fully reset your TV, and meanwhile you can go to your Wi-Fi router, and then you can also try to turn this off, wait like 2 minutes and then also turn it on again. So to restart also the Wi-Fi router. Okay. And then for the next step, what you can do is that we go here into the quick settings. In the quick settings, go here all the way to the right on all settings here. So, and then we go down here on network and internet. And here what we can do first is that we go here on Wi-Fi and turn the Wi-Fi off. So wait like 1 minute, turn it on again to fully reset this. So and then we go here on our Wi-Fi. What we can do now for the first step is that we go here to the right, and then we can go down here, and then we go here on forget network, and then after that we can try to type in the password again. So sometimes this also helps to fix the problem. What we also can try to do is, after that, if this doesn't work, then we can try to go on the IP settings here, and here we can switch from DHCP to static, or from static to DHCP. Sometimes this also helps here at this point. Okay, yeah, so this is really important that we do this. And if this doesn't work, what we can try to do is that we go here on the system. Here on the system, go to the right, and then we can go all the way down here and try to do a restart. Sometimes this also helps to fix the problem. Okay, and after that, your Wi-Fi problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.